Hi guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video I have another unboxing for you, and this is for the Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of April. So if you want to see what is it inside, then just keep on watching. This is the 25 baller. I wanted to say bucks. This is the 25 bucks per month the subscription from Ipsy. They also have the $12 subscription that give you 5 travel size, sample size products, but you also get some full size product on that. However, I went for the medium because I wanted to spoil a bit more. And for the May, you can upgrade either your Glam Bag or the Glam Bag Plus, and you are getting the possibility to go for the Glam Bag X, which is with 8 full-size products. And yesterday I was able to customize my box, and oh my god, it is amazing. It is amazing. So I'm so excited to get my May Ipsy Glam Bag X. Hopefully it will come earlier than this bad boy came. And there is a problem because many people that I'm following, they complain in the US that their Ipsy either Glam Bag or Glam Bag Plus came later in the month. This month I also have the Refreshments. I selected them for last month, but they were not shipped, so they shipped them in this month. I don't know if there is some rule for that. And the good part for the Refreshments is that you can choose the frequency that you get, so you can get them every month, every second month, or every third month. So for the moment I opted in for every second month because I'm curious to see how they look like, and if I'm satisfied I might get, if not I will cancel. So this is the bag that has the actual Refreshments, and it's a really nice light purple bag with some flowers and butterflies. And I think I'm supposed to get a razor and some cartridges. Okay, so here are some stickers. I know that the ring light it's not compatible with these reflections. And here it is a card for the Refreshments. Get ready to jazz things up. And I think, yeah, there's some information about what else you can add as part of the Refreshments. So the Refreshments add a $5 plus per month, but first month it's free. So I got this as a freebie. This is the box for the Refreshments, and it contains a built-in soothing strip, 5 blades for an extra close shape that prevents bumps and burns. No, I think this is not the right way. She doesn't know how to open a package. It was an opening here which I was not expecting. She's fancy. I like it. So I have a problem with pink shades. My daughter is really into pink stuff. But this is pink with green, so actually it's not pink, it's like between pink and purple, like light purple. So maybe I can get away with this. I have 2 cartridges, and also I have a suction stuff. However, on my bathroom I have a kind of tile that has more different texture, and it's not compatible with this type of support, so it won't be useful for me. Never mind, I'm still happy to have this, and it's really cute. So I think I'm going to get at least 1 or 2 Refreshments, like new cartridges, because I'm sure that I will not be able to find replacements for the cartridges for those blades here in Europe. So I think they are exclusive for Ipsy. I'm popping up from the future. I just edited my video, but I have to re-edit it because I just received an email from Ipsy and I want to share with you. So they have selected me to give you guys 3 free glam bags. I have 3 invites to send your BFF a free introductory glam bag. Invites are reserved for your most loyal Ipsters. they are limited and expire, so choose carefully, and you can cancel this trial anytime. So all you have to do if you want to redeem a free bag, contact me by email or by Instagram DM. I will have the information down below on my description box, and I will send you. So if there will be more than 3 people that are interested to redeem those free bags, it will be like first came, first served. So if you are interested to redeem a free Ipsy Glam Bag, do not hesitate to reach out to me. The bag is really pretty, and I also have a 1 or 2 add-ons. So maybe I should start with the add-ons. I was so happy when I've seen that I can add on the Tatcha, the water cream. This was $3. However, I added 2 add-ons and I only paid 1. I think after that I realized I think I had some points which I was not aware. And the second add-on, it's a Sunday Riley A+ high dose retinoid serum. I think this is 5 mils if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 5 mils, but enough to try and make an opinion if I'm going to get it, or if by any chance in upcoming boxes I might have this for choose, I can pick it up or not. So yeah. Now for the actual product, what my Ipsy Glam Bag for the month of April contains. So I have a Vitabreed C12 dual drop serum. If I haven't mentioned, you customize 2 products and they pick for you 3. So I picked either this or another product, I'm not sure. She looks promising. Love it. So this is age defining deep hydration, a blend of vitamin C, which is a stabilized vitamin C, and peptides reduce signs of aging and brighten skin tone while providing deep hydration. It's made in Korea. Okay, I have another vitamin C serum that I'm loving and using from Beauty Counter. So yeah, from this reason I'm not going to open and test this, because we know that vitamin C is really how to say, if you open it you have to use it right away. The next product, and this is for sure something that Ipsy picked for me, it's a set of brushes by Bogashi. We have a brow brush with a angled tip and a spoolie, and 4 eyeshadow brushes, a more fluffy one, a crease brush, like a more precise, and a shader or a, you can use as a concealer brush. So they seem really soft, and for sure brushes is something that I always welcome in my collection. Next I have another Vitabreed C12. This is eye and face cream. So yeah, it's a vitamin C for eyes. Anyway, she's mine, she's not going anywhere. I'm collecting retinol, SPF, and vitamin C products are my best friends. So quite big. This is 35 mils. It's good to use 12 months after opening. And it says a blend of Vitabreed CG, the same stabilized vitamin C, Peptibreed and peptides complex, reduces signs of aging and brightens skin tone while providing deep hydration. 1.18 fluid ounces or 35 mils. I will put the prices on the screen because I have them in the mail, because Ipsy doesn't give you a leaflet to refer to. They used to, I hear from people, but we don't have them anymore. The next product is by Kate Voss, and is the Hey Lighter. It's a face palette, luminous highlighter palette. Probably not going to try this palette because I think I'm not going to use it. I have enough of highlighter palettes. So it has 3 powders. This can be also be used as a bronzer, but I think it's meant to be a highlighter for more deeper skin tones. So yeah, for sure this palette, it's not going to stay with me, but someone else is going to enjoy it. And we also have a card. Oh yeah, but it's some informations. about the Glam Bag X and Chloe that retails for $55 US. Yeah, snack 8 full size products. You choose 3 and worth up to $529. So yeah, some information about not related products from the bag. So my last product from the April Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is the Balm and the Beautiful eyeshadow palette. I was really happy when I've seen that I can choose this. So this was a customizable option, and look at the beautiful packaging. I have another, the Balm palette. It's a very old one. I think it's one of the first palettes that I got, and this is the reason that I discovered Emily Noel, and she still loves this brand. Till those days, she has some security here, so to not be accidentally open. Oh, I haven't seen something like this. And look at those shades. They are not something really spectacular, but I think they have some of their more famous shades. It has the shade Cut, Green Screen, Autograph, Makeup Artist, Roll Credits, Red Carpet, Chick Flick, and Cliffhanger. I love their names. I think I'm going to do maybe a review or a look with this palette really soon. I say the same thing for other palettes that I got in previous months, and I still have some due to film videos, but I really love this palette. So this is everything I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of April. So I had the refreshments. They were coming for free only for this month. Then I got a set of vitamin C for face and eyes for the brand Vitabreed C12. A set of brushes from Bogashi or something, whatever the brand name it is. The Balm and the Beautiful eyeshadow palette. Oh, Vos Hey highlighter, a face palette, and 2 add-ons, the Tatcha water cream. This is actually my first Tatcha product, and the Sunday Riley retinoid. So what do you think about this box, guys? Do you think she worth me waiting for so long to get my shipments? And have you got your Ipsy Glam Bag or Glam Bag Plus for the month of April? I know that at least at this moment when I'm recording, there are some friends of mine who have not yet received, so I hope it will come. I think Ipsy should work better on dispatching their products, but nevertheless, I'm really happy with what I've got in my Ipsy Glam Bag. It is some good thing that you are able to customize your bag, and I think it's more tailored on your profile that it is BoxyCharm. Even the BoxyCharm Premium, I feel that they have some products that are meant to fill your boxes. They're not so nice. Whilst the Glam Bag Plus, I almost don't find any product that I'm not able to use. I'm not such a big highlighter fan, but this is not a bad product by any means. So yeah, I don't say that there is any product on this bag that I don't like. They put it like to have one product, but it's not really valuable for me. This is everything for this month. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing, and if you enjoy this kind of videos, I do plenty of unboxings and reviews here on my channel. And actually I have a new box that should arrive sometimes in May. It's a new subscription that I'm really excited about. It's also a US subscription, so I cannot wait to get it and share it with you here on my channel. But other than that, I hope you enjoy what you see, and I hope you'll come back for more videos like this. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch, and I'm gonna see you again on my next video.